Hello,
Hi.
my name is Finn.
And my name is Milam, and today we're going to be showing you how to edit your Google site.
First, you always want to go to the pencil, which is up next to share and your username.
And then you click it, and then what you're going to do if you want to insert a drive or image, first if you want to put on document, drawing, folder, anything like that.
That's on your drive.
You just click it. Like, these are some of my documents. If I just click a random one, then I select it, I save it, then it comes up right here.
Yeah, and also
and you
can also insert images
right
and
here,
download them.
But I don't have it.
Yeah, and also whenever you're done with like putting one of your things up, you always want to go press save. And that's all you need to edit.
And you can also write on your site. So let me just edit. You can write somewhere like let's just get rid of this right now. So that's what I typed in randomly for some reason. And so yeah, that's how you type it in. Goodbye.
That's all you need. Goodbye.